welcome back to my channel, guys. Get yourself a little snacky snack because this is going to be a long video. I've got myself some chips. We're going to sit down, talk about makeup, talk about confidence, talk about everything girly whilst doing our makeup. Alright, first things first, I'm the realist. Guys, whenever I say first things first, I always think of Iggy Azalea. I don't know why, but what happened to Iggy Azalea? I haven't heard her songs in ages. Anyway, let's start off with priming our face, and I'm using the Glow Recipe toner. Guys, I did my eyebrows this morning. I used the Rare Beauty eyebrow gel and just filled my eyebrows in with the Maybelline brow pomade. So my eyebrows are already done. I don't need to do anything to them. If you guys want an in-depth eyebrow tutorial, I can do that, but it's very simple. They're the only two things I'm using, and I do really like the new Rare Beauty eyebrow gel. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now and highly recommend. If you want a video on that, I can definitely do one for you. For my snack, I've got these quinoa, I don't know how to pronounce them, crackers. They're sour cream and chives. They're good, but they're a bit too healthy. So, I mean, it's not bad, guys. Don't mind me eating these. I'm probably going to cut this bit out. As you know, I'm not crazy about primers. I don't feel like they do much, but I've got a bunch of primers that I have in my drawer and I really want to use it up. So I'm going to go in with the MAC Studio Fix Mattifying Shine Control Primer, and I'm only going to focus that on my T-zone. Also, for reference, I've got a big mirror behind here so I can see what I'm doing, guys. For foundation, I'm going to be going in with the IT CC cream in All Free Matte and just the normal one. I feel like this one's a bit too light for me. This shade's a bit better, so I'm going to kind of like mix them up. Alright, so I'm going to do one pump each on the back of my hands, and I feel like that way the match will be a little bit better. Alright, we need to give it a little good mixy mix. Also, if the lighting in this video is a little bit different, it's because I'm using natural lighting, so I hope you can see things properly. Going in with our Hourglass foundation brush. This is new. I've been using it for about a week and a half now. I like it. Do I think it's worth the hype? Yes, I can see why it is worth the hype because it does leave a nice finish to your face. But to be honest, I feel like you need to blend a lot with this foundation. Whilst I have other foundation brushes that I can like literally do my whole face in like under 30 seconds and it's seamless, this needs a bit of work. My mirror is a bit too far away for this, so I'm going to be using this little palette to see what I'm doing up close. I don't have my glasses on, so it's a bit hard to see. But yes, like I was saying, I do like the Hourglass brush. Do I feel like you need it? No, there are better brushes out in the market, but it's definitely nice to use, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this would be better for foundations that are kind of runny and liquidy. For the CC cream, it doesn't work that well because it is quite thick. Whilst I'm doing my foundation, I'm going to talk about confidence a little bit. I know a lot of people struggle with confidence and building their self-esteem up. It doesn't come naturally for some people, and for me, to be honest, it didn't come naturally for me either. Whilst I was growing up and in high school, I didn't have confidence and my self-esteem wasn't the highest, especially because I did get bullied quite a lot. But the only good thing about getting bullied, which there is none, but the one good thing, I'm not going to lie, is it gives you thick skin. Like, I feel like I have got really thick skin and things that people say don't affect me anymore, and I don't really care for them because there are unfortunately a lot of toxic people in this world, a lot of mean people that will try and put you down, and it has nothing to do with you. It has everything to do with their self-confidence and issues that they have going on with them. So if you are finding yourself getting bullied or getting harassed by someone, remember, it's nothing that you're doing. It's something that is wrong with completely them. It's never you. I also want to say happy people don't bring other people down. So anyone that is bullying or putting you down is miserable within themselves. Otherwise, they wouldn't be doing what they're doing. And bullying is never okay. We're going to move on to concealer now. We're going to be using the Huda Beauty corrector, and this is in Pink Pomelo. You just need the tiniest bit with this. I am honestly loving it so much. It's just has helped me. It's helped me so much correct my under eye darkness, but little goes a long way with this product. You only need the tiniest bit of guys, I can't speak. You just need the tiniest amount and that will help so much. I'm quickly blending this out because it's just a tiny bit. It's really quick to blend out. And we are going to quickly move on to concealer now. I'm using a brand new concealer and it is the Natasha Denona. This one is in the shade P3. I actually don't mind it. I really like it. It's really good when it comes to creasing. It doesn't crease just like my Tarte Shape Tape. Is it my favorite? I don't know. It's very creamy and lightweight, but it does have a lot of coverage. We'll see. For me, I need to give concealers a bit of time to see whether I like it or not, because I can't say I love it on the first go. So I'll keep you guys updated on whether I like this concealer or not. For my concealer brush, I'm going to be using the Hourglass concealer brush. It's actually really good. It's one of my favorites. I do definitely recommend this one. It is absolutely amazing. Because it's got kind of like a slant, it goes underneath your eye area. So good. I'm going to quickly blend this out, and a couple of things that have helped me boost my confidence is looking at myself in the mirror and talking to myself about the things that I dislike about me and what's putting me down. And I started working on those things. So one of them was the weight gain that I had gained after I had my daughter. And I said, that's something that I don't like. That's something that's putting me down. That's something that is not giving me confidence. And I worked on that. So there was a few things that was putting me down, and I worked on them. So you need to sit down and have a chat to yourself, write it down in a journal, or talk to yourself in the mirror and find out what it is that is making you upset, what's not building your confidence, and work on those little things. Make a little goal set, kind of plan for yourself and work on those things, and I promise you that will instantly boost up your confidence. Another thing also that can put your confidence down is going on social media a lot and comparing yourself to other women. Now, I know for myself that I did this quite a lot, and I've come to the realization that no one is perfect and you can't pick at every single flaw that you have. Everyone is beautiful in their own way, and you need to remember that, and you shouldn't be comparing your features to anyone else's. That's the beauty of this world, is that everyone is different. So if you're beating yourself up over physical features, please don't do that. That is very, very toxic. Always try and work on your inner before you work on your outer. I 100% will tell you that I know people that have done so many cosmetic procedures thinking that it'll make them happy, and it hasn't. So it's not the key to confidence. Our concealer is all finished. We need to quickly set these under eyes. So I'm going in with Huda Beauty Pound Cake, and I'm going to quickly set my under eyes before they start creasing. This is really, really important to set them ASAP. Also, another thing that helps your confidence is waking up in the mornings and getting ready. It doesn't matter if you're doing a 5-minute makeup, a 1-hour makeup look, just getting yourself ready and prioritizing yourself is very, very important, whatever that may be. Do those little things that make you happy during the day, and I promise you that will also boost your confidence up. So personally for me, even if I go get a cup of coffee, I still want to put in a bit of effort and do my makeup. Now, some people don't want to do this, that's fine, but just incorporate the things that you love to do on a daily basis, and I promise you, not only will it make your day better, it will boost your confidence. Now I'm going to quickly blend the excess powder away from underneath my eyes. Now that that's all done, I'm not going to go and set my face yet. I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Cream Contour, and I'm going to bronze up my face just a little bit. I haven't used this in such a long time, and I don't know why I bought it, but I actually do really, really like this. So I'm going to start bronzing up really, really quickly, just in my hairline and my cheeks before I set my face. But I really, really like this contour. It's so beautiful. Another thing I want to talk about when it comes to confidence is you need to hang around people that bring your confidence up, people that are nice, people that are friendly, that always have nice things to say and aren't toxic. If you're hanging around people that are constantly putting others down, putting you down, you need to eliminate that. Stop hanging around them, because honestly, they're doing you no good. If anything, they're just bringing you down with them. So you need to find a group of friends that will boost your confidence and that are nice people in general. And I know this is really hard to do, but even if you can't find people like that, it's better to cut them out than have any. So personally for me, I'd rather have no friends than have friends that are toxic or make my life hard, because to be honest, I like a simple lifestyle. I want to enjoy my life. We don't know how long we are here for, so why would I spend my time with people that aren't happy and miserable? It just doesn't make sense. And that also goes for you. You need to be happy, because if you're not happy, you can't make other people happy. And you should be putting your own happiness priority before you do that for anyone else. I also read this quote online. I don't remember the exact words, but it came across something like this. It said, "How can you easily give love to others when you can't give it to yourself?" And that just hit home. How are you so easily able to give love to others when you can't give it to yourself? That is really, really sad. You only have yourself to look after, so please be kind to yourself and say nice things and look after yourself. Okay, let's go in with the RMS bronzer. This is in the shade Bikini Beach. Guys, I love this bronzer, but I feel like I picked up the wrong shade because this is quite dark, but that's fine. I'm just gonna lightly dust this all over where I contoured just to set, because you guys know that I'm an oily gal and my foundation and bronzers need to last me. So I'm just gonna set where I put the contour. Our bronzer is all done now. I'm going to be going in with the Kosas powder in the shade Comfy, and I'm going to set my whole face using this powder just so I don't grease up and my makeup lasts the whole day. So I'm just going to lightly put this all over my face. Guys, I don't know what I want to do for eye makeup. I'm thinking I'm just going to use the RMS bronzer and put this all over my eyelids, because this honestly is so beautiful. You can use it for so many things. So I am just going to put this all over my eyelids and bronze up my eyes, and I think I'm going to do a nice eyeliner look today and go a bit heavy with the mascara. Guys, look how beautiful this bronzer is on the eyelid. I'm literally so obsessed. But another thing I want to mention about confidence is it's not something you build overnight. It's something that you work on, and it does take time. It's easier said than done, but it's just little things that you do that help you boost your confidence, and you will see it in time, if that makes any sense. But taking these little steps, being kind to yourself, hanging around positive people, and doing things that you love will help you. And just cutting out toxic things in your life, you will see a change later on, I promise you. We're gonna go in with eyeliner. Another thing I wanna quickly mention is some people like playing the victim game. Now, if you've done something, you need to hold yourself accountable for it. I know you're going to think, what has this got to do with confidence? It's got a lot to do with confidence. If you are constantly playing the victim game and thinking everyone's out there to hurt you, or, you know, having that sort of toxic mindset, it's not confidence at all. A confident person is proud within themselves and will admit when they are wrong and work on the bad things or the little flaws that they have to be a better person. So also, very important, if you have that victim mindset, it's not going to get you it's not going to get you far in the confidence section. All right, I'm going to do a quarter wing liner. I'm going to do it quite thin, not too thick. I hope you guys can see. The only reason why I'm using this mirror, guys, my daughter has lost the second mirror that I've purchased already. That Love Heart one that you saw that I did the little Temu haul on, it's gone. I don't have it anymore. So it's quite annoying. I don't know what to do. At this moment in time, I'm just thinking I'm going to do a bulk buy of like 20 mirrors. I don't know. Anyway, can't complain. It is my fault for laying them around, but what can a girl do? All right, and that is my eyeliner done. I'm going to quickly do the other side and then we'll finish off the rest of our makeup look. My eyeliner is all done. We are going to quickly curl our eyelashes and then we're going to move on to mascara. Also, guys, I want to mention, if I'm stumbling through my words and all that sort of stuff, I've got so much in my head that I want to talk about that I forget and I stumble through my words. I feel like it'll be easy if I just write some of these things down, but I'm just talking to you fresh out of my head, so that's probably why I'm struggling a little bit. But yeah, that's me most of the time. I've got so much to say and I want to say it all, but I just juggle it all up. Our eyelashes are curled and we're going to be going in with Maybelline Lash Sensation. This is in waterproof. You guys know that I need waterproof mascara for my curls to stay, because I have naturally really straight hair. I have straight lashes as well. They're not that straight, but they're not curly, so I feel like I need to curl them and use a waterproof mascara for the curl to stay all day. And I haven't found a better combo than this. I'm honestly obsessed. So if you need help with your curl lasting all day, I highly recommend this combo. It is honestly the best. Now, I do have length when it comes to my eyelashes. I just don't have much volume, so I like to mix my mascara up, and I also like going in with this mascara as well, which is the Falsies Surreal, also in waterproof. I feel like this one's really good as well, and I just switch between the two. This one gives me a lot of volume, so I am going to quickly finish off my mascara and we're going to move on to blush. Alright, 5 years later and my mascara is done, thank God. Let's go on to blush. I think I'm going to be using this Tarte palette. This has got quite a few blushes in there. So I'm going to mix this all up and put it on my cheeks. I love mixing all the colours up because they're honestly so beautiful, and I feel like it makes like the perfect peachy pinky combo. So I'm going to mix these all up. Alright, I'm pretty happy with my blush. It's nice and subtle. So let's go on to lips. And I don't know what I'm going to do for lips, but I think I'm going to do like a pinky mauve colour. Let's go in with lip liner first. I'm going to be going in with Revlon Colour Stay in the shade Mauve. I feel like this is a perfect lip liner. It lasts all day and it's just a perfect mauvey pink shade. So I'm going to quickly overline my lips. That's a lip liner all over my lips, but I'm going to go in with a bit of gloss, and I think I'm going to go in with the Polite Society Big Mouth Plumping Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Sweet Tweet. And this is a nice pinky mauve colour as well. So I'm just going to focus it just on the centre a little bit. And I'm going to blend it out with my finger. This is very plumping, by the way, guys. Like, it tingles like crazy. This is basically my signature makeup look, and I do this quite a lot. I will either change up the lip from like a brownie nude or a pinky nude, but let's not forget one thing, highlighter. If you know that I always have to put highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bone. It's just one of the things that I have to do, and I feel like it completes every look and just makes everything look so much better. So a little bit underneath the brow bone too. And that is pretty much done, guys. Like, that is my makeup, all complete. Really quick and easy, nice and simple, but this is a close-up of how everything looks. What did you guys think? Did you like my little confidence chit chat video? Did you like my makeup tutorial? If so, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe to my page. And if you've got any video suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I love you guys and stay confident.